Hey guys, it's Flingman Tennis, and I'm doing my customs. So first custom. Hold on, let me get. It's just a normal shock trooper, but I'm gonna turn him into an arc trooper. So I need to make Finn, getting some stuff for it. Here he is. Really like him. Next one is one of my commanders, and he is very, very cool looking. So, pistols, Aldrin, and jetpack. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment.